Ready for the prayer?
Jai Gurudev. Happy morning. Join your palms, close your eyes. Prayer. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः श्रीब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं विश्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदे साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुत्वं नमामि अज्ञानतिमिरान्तस्य ज्ञानाचलचलाकया चक्षुरुं मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति.
Thank you. Dhanyavad. So I hope everyone has uploaded your answer key of Hindi paper. Yes. Assessment. Yes, assessment answer key. Have you uploaded, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how was the paper? Was easy?
Ma'am. It was easy, very.
Easy, yes. Do you know why it is easy? Because you all are listening carefully. Those who are listening carefully and those who are practicing every day, for them, all the test is easy only. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, yes? Okay. So today, yes, very good. Those who have not submitted, submit today itself, okay? Very nice. Okay, so let's start. Last time what we have learned, do you remember what we have learned on Tuesday's session? Tuesday session, what we have learned? Ginati, yes, Ginati we have learned, yes. 11 to 20. 1 to 10 we have already learned, 11 to 20. So next assessment, the Ginati from 1 to 20. So we will, let's revise all the Ginati from 1 to 20 again. And then we are going to start something new. Yes? So, Sadhna ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you,
let's
ma'am.
revise all those things.
Yeah. Yes. Jai Guru. Good morning to all of you. So we are going to revise the counting. What we say counting in Hindi? गिनती. Counting को हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं गिनती. So you have to count with me each and every time while I'm counting, okay? Then only you will get clear pronunciation of numbers in Hindi. So let's count. So total how many car is there? Only one car. So एक. What we say one? एक. Then let's count the banana. एक, दो. So total how many bananas? Two. So यहाँ पे दो केले हैं. Banana केला. So let's count after तीन. So after two, three, and we say three as तीन in Hindi. What we say? तीन. After three, एक, दो, means four. Let's count.
Ready,
एक,
ma'am.
दो, तीन, चार, पाँच. पाँच means 5. Yes, पाँच means 5. After 5, let's count. एक, दो, तीन,
Ma'am,
चार.
Sadhana,
Yeah, ma'am.
voice is breaking little bit.
Now it's clear, ma'am.
It's clear, but sometimes it's break in between. थोड़ा कट कट के आ रहा है.
अच्छा अभी
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 clear
हाँ
है.
ओके
अभी
ओके
clear है.
मैम.
Yes.
या एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छह. 6 means छह. छह और छह. We say for 6. The next is दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छह, सात. सात means 7. So हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं 7. सात. So सात के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? Let's count. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छह, सात, आठ. So after 7, 8. Yes, we all know counting in English. So after 7, 8. So सात के बाद आठ. What we say? 8, 8. Next, let's count. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छह, सात, आठ, नौ. After 8, 9. We say 9 and now. Now in Hindi. No. So now after 9, let's count. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छह, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. This 10.
Sadhana ma'am,
We say 10 in Hindi.
Sa-
10.
Sadhana ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
आवाज बहुत ब्रेक हो रही है. प्लेस चेंज करके देखिए, आवाज बहुत ब्रेक हो रही है. हेलो, आवाज नहीं नहीं बहुत ब्रेक हो रही है. नहीं नहीं, इट्स नॉट क्लियर. हेलो, थोड़ा सा आवाज चेंज करके देख, ये प्लेस चेंज करके देखिए. म्यूट करके अनम्यूट कीजिए.
अभी
नहीं, अभी भी
मैम अभी
क्लियर
सुनाई
नहीं
दे रहा
है.
है?
हाँ, यस यस
Now it's clear?
यस यस.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Yes. So let's count after 10. So after 10, what the number? That is 11. We all know. Yes, count. से 11.
मैम वापस कट होने लगी. हेलो,
अभी आ रहा है मैम?
हाँ अभी आ रही है.
अभी आ रहा है?
यस यस.
ओके मैम. 11. अगर ब्रेक होगा तो बताइए, मैं उसी पोजीशन में खड़ी हूँ. ओके मैम.
ओके ओके.
Yeah. 11 means 11, and how we write 11? That is 1 1 11. So same way you have to write in Hindi also. Ek. So this is 11. So let's count. Yes, everyone should count with me. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छह, सात, आठ, नौ, 10 and 11. So हम 11 को क्या बोलते हैं? 11. We say 11, 11 in Hindi. 11 half g. Then ya with a की मात्रा या रह. 11 means 11. So after 11, that is 12. Ma'am, my voice is clear, ma'am, now?
Yes, yes, it's clear.
Okay, ma'am. So after 11, that is 12. And what we say 12 in Hindi? 12. Ba ko a की मात्रा ba, rah, 12. And 1 to 12. So same way you have to write in Hindi also. एक, दो, that is 12. So let's count. Everyone should count with me each and every time. Yes. So let's count. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छह, सात, आठ, नौ, 10, 11 and 12. That is 12. 12 means 12. So after 12, that is 13. And what we say 13 in Hindi? Terah. So ko ek hi matra rah, terah, and 1, 3, 13. So same way write 1 and 3, that is terah. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 11, 12, 13. So 13 means 13 in Hindi. After 13, that is 14, and we say 14. So aw ki madra dah, 14. So same way in Hindi.
साधना मैम थोड़ा सा ब्रेक होने लगा वापस.
1, 2, okay ma'am, clear?
थोड़ा थोड़ा कट के आ रहा है. बताइए, बोलिए.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 14 means 14 in Hindi. What we say 14 in Hindi? 14. And the next is 15, that is 15. What is 15? 15, that is 15. So same way you have to write 1 and 5, that is 15. So 15, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14, and the last is 15, that is 15. What we say 15? The next is after 15, that is 16, and we say 16. Why dear, someone has touched the screen?
मैम वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है अभी भी.
yes ma'am.
साधना मैम, हेलो. स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है और आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है नेटवर्क इशू की वजह से. थोड़ा प्लेस चेंज कीजिए. बहुत आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है आपकी.
अभी आ रहा है मैम?
आ रही है.
Change my place.
या
Yeah, okay ma'am. So that is 15 we have done. Now the next is after 15. Now it's clear ma'am?
यस यस यस.
Yeah, okay ma'am. So that is 16. 16 Sako oki matra with la, ha, 16. That is 16. And how we write 16? That is 1, 6, 16. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 11, 12, 16. 16 means 16 in Hindi. So next is after 16, that is 17. And what we say 17 in Hindi? Satrah. Sayukt Vyanjan tra and ha, that is satrah. Satrah means 17. And how we write 17? 1, 7, 17. So same way write 1, 7, that is. So let's count.
साधना मैम, हेलो. साधना
Yeah.
मैम, your voice is breaking. Yes yes, it's breaking a lot. I will continue. शेयर आप कर दीजिए, वैसे ही रहने दीजिए स्क्रीन को. आप लिखिए, मैं बोलती हूँ. हेलो हेलो. Okay, let's start. This is 17. 17 means 17. 17, 17. So we'll count the books again. किताबें गिनते हैं. एक, एक, दो. मैम लिखिए उस पे. अदरवाइज टिक टिक मार्क कीजिए. दो, तीन, चार, पांच, छह, और यू कैन से छह, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. After 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. So how many books? 17. कितनी किताब है? 17 किताब है. After 17, it's 18. 18. For 18 what we say? 18. So यहाँ पे क्या है चित्र में? घड़ियां है. घड़ी. घड़ी मीन्स क्लॉक. 1 clock we say घड़ी. Many things घड़ियां. तो यहाँ पे घड़ियां हैं 18, 1 और 8. 1, 8, 18. 18. So let's count the clocks and you have to count with me. Yes? The first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and the last one 18, 18. For 18 what we say? 18. The next one. After 18 it's 19. 19. So यहाँ पे फूल है. So फूल गिनते हैं अभी. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The last one is 19. Yes, 19 we say 19. And after 19 what comes? 20, 20. 19 के बाद क्या आता है? 20 आता है. 20. So let's count the stars. तारे गिनते हैं हम लोग. टोटल 20 तारे हैं. गिनेंगे अभी. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 और 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and the last one 20. So this is total 20 countings. Yes, this is a total 20 counting. So the name I'm going to unmute now. 2ev.j. Mute yourself. Unmute yourself. 2ev.j. 2ev.j. Unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Jai
Good
Gurudev,
morning.
ma'am.
Jai Gurudev. What is your name?
Jai.
Then what is this 2ev.j? Okay. Fine. Jay, just count from 1 to 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 30.
14, you have missed 14. Yes? Listen carefully again, okay? Mute yourself.
Okay.
Mute yourself. Now, uh, I want to start something new. Yes? So, before starting new something, do you remember the noun? Noun topic we have already learned. Yes, do you remember that? Yes. Okay. So, what is noun? नाउन को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? संज्ञा. वेरी गुड. नाउन को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? संज्ञा. सो संज्ञा क्या होता है? ऑल काइंड ऑफ नेम्स. यस, वस्तु के नाम, स्थान के नाम, जानवरों के नाम, पक्षियों के नाम, व्यक्तियों के नाम, फूलों के नाम, फलों के नाम, सब्जी के नाम, बहुत सारे नाम मीन्स नाउन. ऑल काइंड ऑफ नेम्स. बट डू यू नो, in the sentence there are some words those are explaining more about noun. In the sentence there are some words those are giving more information about noun, describing about noun. And for those, that all the words we are going to learn now. What kind of words that? And for that,
the Sandhya.
yes, all kind of name means sangya. And the words those are explaining about noun or pronoun, we say visheshan. Yes. What we say? Visheshan. Visheshan means adjective. The adjective words are giving more information about noun and pronoun. How? That we will have an example. Now I'm going to draw something on my whiteboard. Just first tell me what is that, okay? So when I ask what is this, you can tell me the name. The name means noun. Yes, 1 minute. I will draw now. What is this? Yes. What is this? Star. So star is a noun. तारा. हम क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? तारा. Yes. So now I'm going to ask how question to the noun. Here the noun is star. Yes. In Hindi we say tara. So ask the noun. The noun how? How is the star? Tell me the answer. How is the star? Shining. Okay. Very good. Shiny. Beautiful. Sundar. Yellow. Many bright. Many answers. Yes, we can get many answers. So what kind of answers we can get? Shiny. Or 1 minute. Or we can say yellow. Shiny or yellow. Or we can say beautiful. Yes. I can't write. beautiful, or we can say many things. Many things I can get answers in chat box. So all those words, shining, yellow color, beautiful, wonderful, or bright, all those words are giving more information about star. And the star is a noun, yes? That is a name of something. So those words are giving more information about star. We say Visheshan for that word. So all the shiny, beautiful, yellow, bright, all those words what? Visheshan, adjective. Shiny को हम कहते हैं चमकीला, चमकीला. येलो को कहते हैं पीला. ब्राइट को कहते हैं तेजस्वी. ब्यूटीफुल को कहते हैं सुंदर. सो ऑल दोज वर्ड चमकीला, सुंदर, पीला, तेजस्वी, ये सारे जो शब्द है वो विशेषण कहलाते हैं, क्योंकि वो शब्द नाउन का हमें नाउन के बारे में हमें अधिक जानकारी देते हैं, इसलिए हम उसको क्या कहते हैं? विशेषण. तो ऑल दोज वर्ड्स आर गिविंग मोर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट व्हाट? नाउन. Now I will draw one more thing. Yes. What is this? Fish. Fish को क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? मछली. Yes. Fish को क्या कहते हैं? मछली. So मछली कैसी है? How is the fish? Ask how question to that particular noun. How is the fish? Fish कैसी है? मछली कैसी है? छोटी है, small है. You can say small. You can say big. You can say beautiful. You can say अच्छी है, good. You can say it is in golden color, orange color. So colorful. So many things you can say about fish. How is the fish? Where fish is living, that is in the water. That is a different question. Yes? So many words we are getting, like color name, अच्छी है, सुंदर है, बड़ी है, छोटी है. So many words, all the words are विशेषण, adjective. ये सारे जो शब्द है वो मछली के बारे में अधिक माहिती देते हैं. सो अधिक माहिती देने वाले जो नाउन की अधिक माहिती देते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं? विशेषण. क्या कहते हैं? विशेषण. Now one more example. Yes. What is this? पेड़. Yes. यह क्या है? पेड़ है, tree. So now ask question to that particular thing. Tree कैसा है? पेड़ कैसा है? How is the tree? पेड़ कैसा है? Big. Okay. We can get answer big and greeny. Very good. Fresh. We can say fresh है. पेड़ fresh. ताजा है. We can say tall. Okay. So many words we are getting. Yes, big, tall, greenish, fresh. So ये सारे शब्द हमें किसके बारे में जानकारी दे रहे हैं? पेड़ के बारे में. So पेड़ क्या है? नाउन. नाउन के बारे में हमें अधिक जानकारी मिलती है. More information we are getting about noun. So all these words are विशेषण, adjective. Okay, now I'm going to share the PPT of adjective. Yes. हिंदी में एडजेक्टिव को कहते हैं विशेषण. साधना मैम स्क्रीन दिख रहा है क्या?
Yeah, ma'am. Screen is visible, ma'am.
ओके ओके. की आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है अभी भी. Okay, fine. So let's see the definition of adjective. एडजेक्टिव को कहते हैं विशेषण। विशेषण शब्द का संबंध विशेषता बताने से, विशेषता मीन्स स्पेशलिटी, something special. The words are giving some special information. Yes, something special about the noun. So विशेषण का अर्थ विशेषता बताने के लिए है. The adjectives are telling some special information. जो शब्द संज्ञा या सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताते हैं उन्हें विशेषण कहते हैं. संज्ञा means what? Noun. Sarvanam means pronoun. So, in all the sentence, we normally not using noun. Once we have used noun, the next we are using he, she. Suppose if I'm using the name Smita, Smita अच्छी लड़की है. So next sentence I will use she is going to school. She is doing that. She is doing this. Okay, so pronoun we will use normally. So the word which is describing more about noun and pronoun we call adjective. जो शब्द संज्ञा या सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताते हैं उन्हें विशेषण कहते हैं. वह, now you can see the picture. What is this? What is in the picture? Put it in the chat box. What is in the picture? House. Yes. House,
Yes,
home,
घर.
घर बोलते हैं. Yes, घर बोलते हैं. So let's read the sentence. वह एक सुंदर घर है. This one is one beautiful house. सुंदर means what? Beautiful. हम सुंदर ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. द के ऊपर बिंदु देके सुंदर. We can write like this also. So सुंदर means beautiful. So how is the house? Beautiful. So beautiful word is giving more information about house. So beautiful क्या हो गया? सुंदर क्या हो गया? विशेषण. सुंदर क्या हो गया? विशेषण. वो घर के बारे में विशेष माहिती दे रहा है. Is giving special information about the house. That word is yes. यहाँ पर सुंदर शब्द घर की विशेषता बता रहे हैं. इसलिए सुंदर एक विशेषण है. Here the word is beautiful is saying something speciality about home. Yes, so beautiful is one adjective. Now I'm going to share one picture. Now look at the picture and write picture. Everyone, come on. Everyone I want active in this class. Yes,
Yes,
as
ma'am.
usual, how we are active in Hindi class, I want that.
Shiv Bhagwan.
I don't want a dull class. Bhagwan means God. Lord Shiva's idol is here, yes? And ocean is also there. A small temple is also there. Temple. If you know anyone, the temple is in Murudeval temple. Visit this temple, okay? Shiva's, we say Mahadev also. For Shiva, we say Mahadev also. So Mahadev ki murti. Murti means idol. So how is the Lord Shiva? How is the idol of Lord Shiva? Ask how question to that particular noun. Lord Shiva, महादेव
Yes, ma'am. Big.
की मूर्ति कैसी है?
Big, man. It's big.
Adjective here. Yes. Big क्या है ये? एडजेक्टिव है, विशेषण। महादेव की मूर्ति बहुत बड़ी है।
मैम आवाज ब्रेक हो रहा है।
महादेव की मूर्ति बहुत
मैम सुप्रीता मैम,
बड़ी है। एडजेक्टिव व्हाट? बिग, बड़ी।
सुप्रीता मैम आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है मैम।
हेलो, वॉइस इज ऑडिबल?
मैम वॉइस इज ब्रेकिंग मैम।
Hello. Yes, yes. Now
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
clear? Yes, it's clear. Okay, okay. So महादेव की मूर्ति बड़ी है। बड़ी क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? विशेषण। बड़ी क्या है?
Yes, ma'am.
विशेषण। Next, look at the picture. Which picture is this? कौन सा चित्र है ये?
यस मैम, मोर।
More. Yes. So मोर कैसा है? Peacock. How is the peacock? मोर कैसा है?
सुंदर। या मैम, वी आर गेटिंग आंसर।
सुंदर है। Yes, beautiful. You can say colorful. You can say beautiful. Many things you can add. So, मोर बहुत सुंदर पक्षी है। मोर बहुत सुंदर पक्षी है। सुंदर is a विशेषण here, adjective, because that word is giving more information about more. Yes. So the next picture. What is the picture? What you can see in this picture? इस चित्र में आप क्या देख रहे हो?
गार्डन।
Garden. Yes. What is in the garden? Flowers. Yes, flowers in the garden. So how is the flowers in the garden? बगीचे के फूल कैसे हैं? The flowers in the garden. The flowers are in the garden. Colorful and what you can say? Beautiful, wonderful, colorful. Yes, good, nice. We can say many things. Yes. So colorful को हम कहते हैं रंग बिरंगी। कलरफुल को हम क्या कहते हैं? रंग बिरंगी। बगीचे में रंग बेरंगी फूल है। रंग बेरंगी मीन्स व्हाट? कलरफुल। रंग बेरंगी मीन्स कलरफुल। यस। सो कलरफुल ये क्या हो गया इस वाक्य में? विशेषण। कलरफुल क्या हो गया? विशेषण। बगीचे में रंग बिरंगे फूल है। There are colorful flowers in the garden. So the words are giving more information about the noun and pronoun we call adjective. Clear all of you? The definition, the words, how we are going to use. Yes. The other examples and the detailed definition we will learn in next class, in the next week with the classwork notes. Yes, clear all of you? So tell me what we say adjective in Hindi. What we say adjective in Hindi? विशेषण. Yes.
Slow, ma'am.
Low. Okay. Okay, so what we say adjective in Hindi? विशेषण. It's विशेषण. Okay, so the grammar part is not in your textbook. Okay, grammar part is not in your textbook. So noun, how we have given you PPT and the notes. The same thing, adjective also PPT we will provide you, and as well as you have to refer the classwork notes. Yes, next week we will share the class.
50, ma'am.
Oh, very good. Very good. So the next week we are going to share the classwork note in the class, so you can understand with the many examples. Yes, just now we have seen more 6 to 7 examples. We will see one more examples so you can understand the words, some special words like bada, chota, tejasvi, sundar, rangi. So many words you have already know. Yes, Hindi test revision. What? Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, so next class we will have the Visheshan revision again. Okay, now it's 9 o'clock. The class is going to end. So everyone, if those who have not submitted the Hindi assessment to submit immediately. Okay, and practice every day with all the basic words what we have learned from your textbook. It's 9 o'clock. Class is going to end. Thank you. Jai Gurudev. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.